Chess makes man wiser and clear-sighted, while Blaise Pascal finds it the gymnasium of the mind. Namaste. Let's talk of the history of the game of chess in India. A common theory is that India's development of the board and chess was likely due to India's mathematical enlightenment involving the creation of number 0. The earliest precursor of modern chess is a game called Chaturanga, which flourished in India by the 6th century and is the earliest known game to have two essential features found in later chess variations. Different pieces having different powers, which was not the case with the checkers and Go, and victory depending on the fate of one piece, the king of modern chess. Thank you.
सबसे सुंदर है ये खेल, नाम है इसका शतरंज। भारत में था ये जन्मा, भारत में था ये जन्मा, बुद्धि का है ये अमृत। भारत की ये कहानी, जब होते थे यहाँ रण, तब एक ऋषि ने सोचा क्यों मारे जाते।
Sports are defined as athletic activity requiring skills or a physical prowess and are often competitive by nature. No matter, there will always be varied opinion and perhaps none is more debated than chess. Chess is a classic game. Chess can be enjoyed by any age group. When playing chess, your brain will be challenged to exercise logic. You will be able to develop pattern recognition. You will be able to make decisions both visually and analytically and test your memory. Chess teaches us to remain calm under pressure. Chess can keep your brain active and sharp throughout your life. Remember, children, that an active brain is a healthy brain. So please play chess during COVID-19.
Here are some essential chess tricks and tips that will help you understand the game of chess better. In the opening, look for a pawn move first, then for a knight move, then for a bishop move, then for a rook move or castle, and finally for a queen move. Do not move the same piece more than once in the opening if you do not have a very good reason for it, such as material gains. Do not accept many pawn sacrifices during the opening, especially playing black. Otherwise, you can get a couple of extra pawns but also get checkmated quickly because of your underdeveloped pieces. Remember, the main purpose of opening is to develop pieces quickly and efficiently. Developing the queen too early in the game is usually bad. Fight for the center. Remember, central squares are very important since they provide block post for your pieces. Therefore, central pawns are considered to be more valuable than flank ones. Thank you so much.
आर्यन स्कूल के द्वारा जो शतरंज प्रतियोगिता बच्चों के लिए आयोजित की गई है उसके विषय में मैं अपना मंतव्य रखना चाहूंगी। और जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि शतरंज हमारे भारत देश का और विदेशों का एक लोकप्रिय खेल है और शतरंज की शुरुआत भी भारत से ही मानी गई है। भारत में 5वीं से 6वीं शताब्दी के मध्य ही शतरंज की शुरुआत मानी गई है। उसके बाद यह विदेशों में भी फैला। शतरंज एक रोचक और मानसिक खेल है जो बच्चों का मानसिक विकास करता है और आज जो कोरोना की भयावह परिस्थितियां चल रही हैं उसमें बच्चों का शारीरिक विकास बिल्कुल रुक सा गया है। ऐसे समय में स्कूल के द्वारा जो इस खेल का आयोजन किया गया है, यह बच्चों के मानसिक विकास के लिए बहुत ही बढ़िया किया गया है। तो मैं स्कूल को हार्दिक धन्यवाद दूंगी कि उन्होंने बच्चों के लिए इतने अच्छे खेल का आयोजन किया है। धन्यवाद।
आनंद पब्लिक स्कूल ने अभी चेस कंपटीशन करवाया बच्चों के लिए। वो बच्चों के मस्तिष्क के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा गेम है। ये गेम खेलने से बुद्धि का पूरा उपयोग होता है, जिससे मस्तिष्क का विकास होता है। यह गेम खेलने से मस्तिष्क की तर्क शक्ति, पैटर्न पहचान शक्ति, विश्लेषणात्मक शक्ति और याददाश्त शक्ति का विकास होता है। यह गेम सारे उम्र के व्यक्तियों को खेलना चाहिए। यह गेम एक 64 खानों का स्क्वायर शेप का गेम होता है, जिसमें 16 ब्लैक गोटी होती है और 16 वाइट गोटी होती है। इन्हीं के द्वारा ये खेल खेला जाता है। धन्यवाद।
अब होगी शांति जग में, सबने लिया था ये प्रण, राजा के साथ रानी, हाथी के साथ घोड़ा, ऊंटों की भी सवारी, संग लेके आया प्यादा, 64 खानों की महिमा सारी दुनिया ने मानी, काले सफेद ने मिलकर अपनी पहुंच भी जानी, सबसे सुंदर है ये खेल।
Hi, I am Pradyuman Singh Shekhawat and I am going to tell you all about some moves in the chess. The king moves one square in any direction. There is an also special move called castling, which involves the king and the rook. The king is the most valuable piece. Attack on king must be immediately countered, and if this is impossible, immediate loss of the game is ensured. You can just see the check and checkmate below. The rook can move in number of square along the rank and the field, but cannot leap over other pieces. Along with the king, rook is involved in during the castling move. Bison can move in any direction diagonally, but cannot leap over other pieces. Queen is a combination of rook and bison. It can move in any number of square along with the rank, field or diagonal, but cannot leap over other.
Hi, I am Harshvardhan Singh Shekhawat and I am going to tell you all about check and checkmates in my video. When a king is under immediate attack, it is said to be in a check. A move in response to be a check legal only if it is result in a possible where the king is no longer in check. These can involve capturing the checking piece, interposing a piece between the checking piece and the king, which is possible. One of their attacking piece is the queen, rook or bishop, and there is a square between it and the king, or moving the king a square where it is not under attack. Castling, it is not a permissible response to a check. The object of the game is to checkmate the opponent, that occur when the opponent king is in check and there is no legal way to get it out of check. It is never legal for a player to make a move that puts or leaves the player owns king in check.
When I heard this word, a name is blinking in my mind. No doubt it's Vishwanathan Anand, the Grand Master of Chess. He was born on 11 December 1969 in Chennai. He is an Indian chess grandmaster and former world chess champion. He started learning chess from the age of 6 from his mother. He became the first grandmaster from India in 1988 and he is a 5-time world chess champion. He was rewarded by Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Chess Oscar, etc.
आओ सब बच्चों आओ, शतरंज तुम्हें सिखाऊं, इसकी गजब की